Hello friend, how are you? I Dr. Kothari welcomes you again in my statistical series, and today we are discussing a topic that is Fisher's ideal index number. Okay, so here we will try to understand how this Fisher's ideal index number is constructed or calculated. Okay, uh, so friend, let's start. We are given some information here in the form of commodity. These are A, B, C, D, and these are the prices and quantity for 2016, and these are the price and quantity for 2017, right? So price and quantity for 2016 or base year is denoted as 0 here, so it will be our P0, and quantity for the base year is denoted as Q0. Price for current year or 2017 will be here, that is P1, and quantity for current year is denoted as PQ1. So P0 Q0 P1 Q1. For base we will denote as sub 0. For current we will denote P and Q as sub 1. Okay. So if you talk about the formula of Fisher's ideal index number, so it is square root of P01 square root of sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 into 100. Okay, so this 100 is outside of this square root. Okay, so this is the formula of Fisher's ideal index number. Okay, so we have to make these 4 columns to get the answer of this question. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns we need. Okay, so let's have this column here. The first one is P1 Q0. First column we need P1 Q0, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is P1, sorry, P1 and Q0. Okay, then P0 Q0, P1 Q1, P0 Q1. So according to formula, just make these columns here and get the value. P1 Q0, P1 multiplied by Q0. So this is our P1 price for current year or 2017 6. Q0 is our 60, sorry 10. 10 into 6 it will be 60. 4 into 12 that will be 48. 15 into 2 30. 5 into 5 25. Okay. So this is our multiplication between P1 and Q0. Okay. P1 and Q0. Similarly P0 Q0. Price of base year into quantity of base year. 4 into 10 that is 40. 3 into 12 36. 2 into 15 30. 5 into 5 25, right? Then 1 P1 Q1 means price for current year into quantity for current year. This is price for current year, this is quantity for current year. So this column into this column. 6 into 15 that is 90. 4 into 10 40. 2 into 20 40. 14 into 5 70. Okay, last one 0 1. P0 this one, Q1 this one. First column and the last column. Price of base year into quantity of current year. 4 into 15 60. 3 into 10 30. 2 into 20 40, and 5 into 14 70. Okay, so these are the multiplications of these terms or these columns, right? So now what we need summation of these columns as per the formula. So let's have the total or summation. Let's write it here as total. Okay, so this one is what? Sigma or summation of P1 Q0 equal to, it is 163. 163. Okay, if you total it, it will give us 163. This one is sigma P0 Q0. It is 131. 131. Next, sigma P1 Q1. It is 240. Okay, if you get it total, you will get 240. The last one is sigma P0 Q1. It is 220. It is 9 13 200. It is 200. Okay, so these are the totals we have. Now what we need to put these totals in this formula. Okay, just put the value here, equal to square root of, this one is 163. Sigma P1 Q0 is 163 upon P0 Q0 is 131 into P1 Q1 is 240 upon P0 Q1 is 200. Okay, into outside of square root 100. Right? So next, what it gives us? So this upon this, now equal to 163 upon 131. It is 1.244. Okay, into 163 upon 131, it is 1.244. 240 upon 200, it is 1.20 into 100 equal to square root of this into this. This into this is 1.49. 1.4931. Okay, into 100. Okay, so the square root of this value is 1.2219. 2219 into 100. Okay, so this gives us answer as how much? Equal to 122.19 percentage. 122.19 percentage. So our Fisher's ideal index number is 122.19. Okay, it is how much? 122.19 percentage. It means the prices has gone up by 22.919%. Okay, from the previous year 2016 to 2017. Okay, for these combination or A, B, C, D commodities. Okay, so friend, this is the procedure and method to calculate Fisher's ideal index number. We have to just learn these terms here or this summation here in this sequence. Okay, so this is quite easy and also easy to calculate or put these values in formula and get the answer, right? So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead. God bless you.